In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable dark mode in Google Calendar using Chrome. If you're anything like me, staring at a bright screen all day can be pretty straining on the eyes, especially when you're trying to check your schedule late at night. So let's dive right into how you can switch your Google Calendar to a more eye-friendly dark mode, or switch back to the classic light mode if that's more your style. To start, open up your favorite browser. In this case, we will use Chrome, and navigate to your Google Calendar. You'll want to make sure you're logged into your Google account first so you can access your calendar. Once your calendar page has loaded, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see a familiar gear icon which represents settings. Give that a click. After clicking on the gear icon, you'll be presented with a menu. It might feel like a small door to a very big world, but for now our destination is appearance settings. You'll find the option labelled appearance and you'll want to click on that. Now this is where the magic happens. You'll see options for different display modes. If you're looking to activate dark mode, simply click on the option labelled dark. Instantly you should see your calendar's background transform into a soothing, darker shade, which can really help reduce eye strain, especially in lower light environments. For those occasions where you find dark mode doesn't suit your needs, or you just want the classic look back, this next step is crucial. If you want to switch back to the regular bright setup, click on the option labelled light. This will revert your calendar back to the original look, giving you that crisp, classic interface which can be ideal in well-lit conditions. After you've selected your desired mode, either dark or light, there's just one more thing left to do. Head to the bottom of the menu and click Done. This step is like hitting the save button, ensuring that your preferences are securely locked in. So there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to customizing your Google Calendar with dark mode or returning to the traditional light mode. Having the ability to toggle between these settings not only helps with eye strain, but also adds a personal touch to your digital workspace. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and you're now more comfortable navigating your Google Calendar settings. Feel free to experiment with the modes whenever you like, and find what works best for your routine and environment. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video tutorial.